Alright, y'all. We're at the Dodge dealer. I said Dodge. We're at the Mercedes dealership. Got the same crew with us. Look like your Uncle Sonny. Look like 40 type shit. Look like a true Jamaican low key. It's like usually when I come to dealerships, I usually walk around and try to find the car myself, and then if I can't find it, then I go talk to a dealer. So that's what I'm gonna do. See if I can figure it out on my own before I go ask somebody. Oh, it's right there. I see it. I don't even gotta ask somebody. I see it. It's low key look like it's blocked out though. But the goal is to test drive it. I'm talking to him. Come on, like this is a one-on-one.
Fuck that. Fuck you,
He said it wrong. I'm not showing you, nigga. Sorry you don't get to see that ugly ass finger.
Nah, fuck them, nigga. Yo, y'all can hear me. Fuck y'all niggas, man. We gonna go supercar or no car, nigga. Wait till I pop on my Lambo, nigga.
Nigga not gonna have a car for another year.
What?
So nigga not gonna have a car for another year.
I'm gonna have a Lambo in 6 months, nigga. I'm gonna have a
Lambo in 6 months? What can I say I'm gonna have in 6 months? If he has a Lambo in 6 months, what would I have in 6 months? That's like... let's think. If he has a Lambo in 6 months, I gotta have like... If he has a Lambo in 6 months, I got a Supra and something else. Old Toyota Supra and something else. Is it turned on right now?
You don't hear it?
Who driving my car? That's supposed to be my car. We're gonna have an issue now. There's two. They got two. That's probably a brand new one. I can't afford that. That'd be a wide body though. Robin? This is orange. It is orange. I thought it was red. Why is it turned on though? Who driving my car? This shit got a spoiler and a diffuser in the back. It gotta be.
That shit dark as fuck.
I cannot see through those windows, nigga. This is the hood. Whoever had this car was from the hood. Oh, it's a guy.
It is a motherfucker in there. Why couldn't he see through the motherfucker? I'm like, somebody in here.
Yeah.
This one
I don't know about this one right here. This gotta be.
You just here chilling? What year?
I took it out for a little drive earlier.
What it drive like?
What you recording? Cameraman. No, man, I don't just record like that, man. Just record. It's cameraman, man.
No, brother. No, you can record, but not me, please.
Nah, no problem. This a wrap?
I'm not sure. It could have came like this because with Dodge, some of them do come like this. Yes, boys.
That nigga's the biggest dickhead ever, bro. The biggest dickhead ever, bro. Who the fuck test drives a Hellcat at 500 horsepower? That's what the purpose of getting a Hellcat is for the red key. Because we know with the regular black key, it doesn't give you full power. It only gives you half of it.
Well, you know what? I don't even fuck with it. This nigga first told us we can't test drive it. Then we asked another nigga, he like, yeah, we could test drive it. I don't see no issue with it. And then now he trying to say ain't no red key, like niggas is dumb. Like,
how do you sell a Hellcat without the red key? That's like that. Listen, this without the red key is like buying a damn Lexus or BMW. It's a regular car. It's not a Hellcat.
In order to unlock
700 horsepower, you need the red key. So if I turn the car with the black key, or like you know how you press it with the black key and turn it on from a distance, it won't go fast unless the red key does it. If the black key does it, it's half of its horsepower cut off.
Okay.
So like what, like who the fuck would even buy the car? You're buying a Hellcat without the red keys, like, you know what I'm saying? It's stupid. It's like buying a broken Hellcat. It's like you don't need 700 horsepower. Now what the fuck would you buy the car for?
How the fuck you gonna tell you what you need and you here to buy the car?
But I'm saying, what would you buy a car with 700 horsepower and only get half of it? That's like buying a damaged fucking shoes without shoelaces.
I want to see this dickhead on the walk back to the car. Like, I'm already ready for this nigga.
Like,
I
don't
don't
make no
know.
sense. Who the fuck buys a Hellcat? Who buys a Hellcat for half of the horsepower? That'd be waste of investment. That's bad. That would be a stupid buy.
Type shit.
That make no sense at all. Nigga said you don't need 700 horsepower. You don't need to sell cars. You're a terrible salesman.
That nigga is a terrible salesman. His name is Brian, by the way.
Bro, you supposed to be like, bro, damn, I ain't gonna lie. Like,
where we at again? We
in Fort Lauderdale.
Mercedes of Fort Lauderdale,
like,
bro.
As a salesman, you supposed to
This nigga don't gas the car. He told us we couldn't test drive the car. Bro, Brian, you fucking suck, Brian. When you see this one day, you fucking suck.
He got to. He wouldn't be coming to the door if he didn't have it. He would just come right here and tell me he don't got it.
Damn, I miss you too. What you pretty out of what to do?
I got it. Let's ride.
Let me see. I gotta touch it with the thing. Or actually, let me see real quick.
As long as it's in the car, you're good.
Okay.
What's the dealer market value for it? You know that or no?
What the price of the car is.
What they you say is 50, right?
I have to scan it once we get out. I can tell you.
Definitely sounds quieter than your car.
No, that's stock.
It's not stock yet.
Which way do I go out of here? Make a right? Okay.
Joshua Dobbs don't know nothing, bro.
Make a right? So have you drove this car?
No.
Are you a fan of fast cars?
I'm a fan of Mercedes-Benz, the AMGs. I don't care for Hellcats.
Okay, so that's what you got?
Yeah.
Is that fast? I'm not.
AMG, make a left. AMGs are high performance cars for Mercedes.
Not too fond of Mercedes, but I know some of them can go fast.
So what you got left on your car? Like what? Like for the trade-in value?
30, maybe 20 something.
I figured. Got that. Got a kick to it.
It definitely do.
Way more than the truck. 100% way more than the truck.
Definitely do. I make a. Well, I can only go straight. Wait, no, where do I go? I make a left?
Straight. That's it, though. We can't drive too crazy.
Yeah, and I'm still at 60.
You was just doing 70.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I'm past 7. No, I love how this like pulls though. My car doesn't pull.
I like the sound of it more than anything. Like it has more of a like, cause a truck you gonna get that like more of a dum 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 like, you feel me? But this one is just more like that windy sound.
The light right there. So like,
I see. I can't go right on it.
I'll wait till the light turns green. It doesn't say you can go. I'll wait till the light turns green. Back up a little bit.
It's green, huh? I gotta barely touch the pedal.
That's what you gonna get for 700, brother.
Just keep following the road around.
You feel that push though, Charles?
Yeah, I do. Especially being I'm in the back seat, so I'm gonna feel it more than
It's
anything.
better than the Trackhawk we drove.
Yeah.
That's why I told you this is better than the Trackhawk.
But they wanted like 75 for that though.
The Trackhawk, I know.
Yeah.
Like I would pick the Trackhawk, but I just don't think. I just feel like this ride's better.
Because I mean the Trackhawk is just like having the truck, the Hellcat, the Durango. truck is cool and all, but I mean, like, there's no purpose for it.
Definitely ride good too.
You said definitely what?
It ride good too.
Oh, 100%. Let me ask you, you know the EQ, what was it, your EQ 50?
I don't know enough.
The EQS 50? That's in there. How is that? You know, I'm not too. I don't know too much about, like, what do you call them, like electric car? Yeah, electric. I don't know much about electric cars. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's nice. It's fast.
I seen it. It's like the inside, the whole like digital screen.
How much power is that give out?
It's like 500 something horsepower. It's fast.
It's all-wheel drive, isn't it?
Yep.
Whew. And it's an electric. And it's an electric car.
Electric cars don't beat so fast. They just don't make no noise though.
They do fake noises and those.
I don't want that.
Yeah, but I mean, like that takes everything away from it.
Defeats the purpose. I like being a car fan.
You gonna really get what it sound like in here.
I didn't even think about that. This is a stock too. This car ain't nothing.
It's nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, I was just about like it's stock. It's stock sounding like that. It's crazy.
Exactly.
Imagine when you do the pipes in this joint and everything else, like exhaust. Oh my goodness, should go wake the whole block up.
I was thinking the exact thing. This car don't come with Apple CarPlay, John.
16. Probably
And they got 16s going for 50 too. Woo. Don't they? What the 18s are like? What 60?
Nah, it ain't. It just depends on the miles, to be honest. Like, this car has 20 low miles, so that's why it goes for that much. You can get an 18 for. I was looking at 18 for 50, but it's just yeah, more miles.
Yeah. Give it up, Bob. What are you doing for me?
Start merging over into your left-hand lane. And you're gonna make your second left. Right when you cross over the second lane, it's gonna be the first left where the Enterprise is.
You know what's crazy? I heard the sensors for that, but your sensors don't work.
No. It's gonna be the first left when you cross over like where the Enterprise is.
What sensor, Jersey?
Like we heard it when you was on your left hand side.
Oh.
You had your blinker on and the sensor went off. Your sensors don't be going off.
You can turn them on and off.
What? CJ Stroud won? Nice. That boy becoming.
See, I would never get bored of that.
Right here.
I would just never get bored of that. I feel like you want to let me do it, but other people not, so I'll just keep going. Traffic always like this over here?
Yep.
You from here?
Mm-hmm. When you This US 1. It's always traffic like this. Thousands of people ride up and down US 1 every day.
This is going towards where? See?
It just depends. I mean, Fort Lauderdale Airport is right next door.
Ah, okay. That makes a lot of sense.
But US 1 is practically right before the beach, so
Yeah.
it runs north and south. Now, do me a favor, back it in for me, please.
I got you.
Yeah, 'cause it's low. I don't want to mess the front up.
On the way. They gonna have to go now.
But then we'll just back up. They're waiting
Yeah,
there.
they over there laughing and giggling in the car.
Yeah,
Having a lot of fun.
stuff.
Keep it up, Bob. Bob, what are you doing for me?